everybody. Welcome to 2820 High Range Drive. Man, I've got a special treat for you guys today. I cannot wait to show you this property. You don't see a lot of flips like this. This is a investor that has taken this house and completely reworked it. I'm a sucker for ceiling treatments. I love when designers use different types of materials on the ceilings. And in this house, we've got a few different things going on. It's the material that you use on the floor, they have on the ceiling. As you first walk in, you see there's shiplap. As you walk in here to the family room, they actually have used some beams. They've got some wood treatments in here. So I love how it's different from when you walk in from the living room to the family room. So this brings us into the nucleus of the house, the kitchen. And this is where everything goes down, my favorite room of the house, most people's favorite room of the house. And if we look at the island, we've got what's called a waterfall turn down of the quartz countertops. It's two-tone, so you have white quartz and a darker grayer quartz. Upgraded cabinets, but man, one of the things I love about this particular kitchen is the use of the space right above the custom cabinets. You've got this row of glass cabinets where you can display your different high-end dishes. You can display candles or plants or whatever you want in there. It just adds a really cool touch to an already amazing kitchen. Full quartz backsplash. Welcome to the primary bedroom. One thing I love about the entire house is how light it is. We've got lots of skylights in the house, big, huge 8-foot roll-away doors in the living room here in the master. But as you walk into this primary bedroom, you look out to the golf course and there's a lake out there. And it's just, man, I can imagine waking up here every morning and just having that great feeling about you're gonna conquer the day. A lot of love in this primary bathroom. Man, they put a lot of thought into this. You've got your walk-in shower, you've got full floor to ceiling granite and two different types of stone that are used in this particular design. I love their use of the different types of materials. You see so many bathrooms that just use one type of material. I love the two-tone part of it. Again, floating cabinets, custom cabinets, dual sinks, walk-in shower, huge bathtub. Man, you could spend a lot of time in this bathroom. Now we're here in the backyard at 2820 High Range Drive. Man, this backyard has a lot to offer. Fire pit, pool, spa, covered patio, fans, wired for sound. And the best part, you have this amazing lake behind you. Man, love it being on the golf course, lake, pool, spa. You don't even need to leave home.